Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to set fingerprint lock on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on security and privacy. From here, you will find the option of device lock. Just tap on it, then tap on fingerprint and face unlock. Now to set fingerprint lock, just tap on fingerprint, select agree, and tap on next. Now just select a lock screen password method which you like. You have the option of numeric, alphanumeric, and a pattern. For now, I will select numeric. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on next. Now just enter a 6-digit lock screen PIN, or you can tap on use a different password type, and from here you will have the option of 4 digits, 6 digit, or 4 to 6 digits. I will select 4 digits. Now just enter a 4-digit PIN, then select use. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Now to register your fingerprint, just slide your finger across the fingerprint sensor on the power button to register your fingerprint. Just like that. Now once you register your fingerprint, then select done. Now if you want to use face unlock, just select enroll, or you can select cancel. And once you do that, you will successfully enable fingerprint lock on your Oppo phone. Just like that. And this is how you can set fingerprint lock on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.